Your life can change drastically in just 6 months if you commit to these 6 powerful habits. These habits are simple, but their impact is massive. Stick with me until the end, and I promise you'll have the blueprint to become the best version of yourself. Number 1, waking up at 5 a.m. First, start waking up at 5 a.m. Why? Because the early hours are golden. The world is quiet, distractions are minimal, and you have the perfect opportunity to focus on you. Use this time to work out and energize your body. Plan your day with intention. Work on your business, passion, or personal growth. Think of it this way. While most people are still sleeping, you're already building your future. Waking up early isn't just a habit, it's a competitive advantage. Number 2, take a 30-minute walk in nature. Next, step outside for a 30-minute walk in nature. This habit might seem small, but the benefits are huge. Nature has been scientifically proven to reduce anxiety, boost your happiness levels, improve your mood and overall well-being. It's not just a walk, it's a reset button for your mind and body. Leave your phone behind, focus on the sounds and sights around you, and let nature work its magic. Number 3, write down your thoughts before bed. Here's a game changer. Spend 10 minutes writing down your thoughts before bed. This simple habit improves sleep quality and clears your mind. Here's what you can write. Your goals for tomorrow. This gives your day direction. Things you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your mindset. Any negative thoughts, getting them out of your head onto paper can be incredibly freeing. This nightly routine will not only help you sleep better, but also strengthen your mental health over time. Number 4, spend 1 hour exercising daily. Let's talk about physical health. 1 hour a day of exercise can completely transform your body and mind. Whether it's running, swimming, or lifting weights, the benefits are endless. You'll feel more energetic. Your stress levels will decrease. Your confidence will skyrocket as your body becomes stronger and healthier. Consistency is the key. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up every day and putting in the effort. Number 5, sit in silence for 10 minutes daily. In today's fast-paced world, our minds are constantly racing. That's why sitting in silence for 10 minutes a day is so powerful. Use this time to practice mindfulness. Focus on your breathing. Simply be present in the moment. It might feel strange at first, but over time, you'll notice your mind becoming clearer and your stress levels decreasing. This underrated habit is like a reset button for your mental health. Number 6, create a proper sleep schedule. Finally, prioritize your sleep. Sleep is the foundation of everything, your performance, your mood, your health. Without proper rest, it's impossible to function at your best. Here's how to improve your sleep quality. Turn off screens at least 2 hours before bed. The blue light disrupts your body's natural rhythm. Avoid heavy meals late at night. Make your room cooler and use blackout curtains to create the perfect sleep environment. When you sleep better, you perform better. It's that simple. These 6 habits are your tools for transformation. Waking up early, connecting with nature, writing before bed, exercising, finding moments of silence, and prioritizing sleep. These are simple, actionable steps that can change your life in ways you never imagined. But here's the key: consistency. Don't just try these habits. Commit to them. 6 months from now, you'll look back and realize you're a completely different person, someone you're proud of. So start today. The new you is waiting, and remember, small habits create big results.